Welcome back to the channel, where passion meets performance and every machine tells a story. Today's story is not just about a car, it's about a statement. A declaration from Maranello that the future of hypercars is here, and it's wrapped in pure Italian fire. This is the 2026 Ferrari F80, a machine built not just to dominate roads but to redefine what human-made speed can feel like. Buckle up, because what Ferrari has created is nothing short of breathtaking. From the moment you first lay eyes on the F80, you know this is not a typical Ferrari. It doesn't whisper performance, it shouts it with every angle, every curve, every sculpted surface. The proportions are extreme, low, wide, aggressive, and undeniably futuristic. This car looks like it was pulled straight out of a science fiction universe and dropped onto an Italian test track. Ferrari's designers took inspiration from aeronautics, Formula One, and modern hypercar philosophy to create something that feels alive even when it's standing still. But the design is only the beginning. The real magic lies under the skin. The 2026 Ferrari F80 brings a powertrain that pushes boundaries. Ferrari didn't simply aim for more horsepower, they aimed for a new driving experience. Imagine a twin-turbo V8, engineered to the absolute limit, paired with advanced hybrid electric motors. Combined output, somewhere around 1050 horsepower, giving the F80 a power-to-weight ratio that feels unbelievable. This means a car that rockets from 0 to 60 in around 2 seconds flat. 2 seconds. That's the kind of acceleration that pushes your chest into the seat and leaves your mind trying to catch up with the world flying past the windshield. But Ferrari didn't chase insane numbers just for bragging rights. They engineered the F80 to feel balanced, controlled, and precise. Everything about the car is built around stability, speed, and connection. The hybrid system doesn't just add power, it fills in the gaps, providing instant torque and razor-sharp throttle response. The electric motors work with the combustion engine in perfect harmony, giving the driver more control, more flexibility, and more confidence at high speeds. Ferrari equipped the F80 with a multi-level dynamic control system. Think of it as a digital co-pilot that constantly monitors traction, steering input, tire temperature, suspension load, and aerodynamic forces. It doesn't take over. It enhances your ability to push the car to its limit. Everything works behind the scenes, adjusting torque distribution, brake bias, energy recovery, and active aero in milliseconds. You feel the power, but the car remains composed, predictable, and shockingly agile no matter how hard you push it. Now let's talk aerodynamics, because that's where the F80 truly steps into the future. The car is shaped by airflow. Every vent, every crease, every opening has a purpose. The front splitter channels air under the car, the side sculpting reduces turbulence, and the massive rear diffuser creates incredible downforce. Ferrari's active aero system features moving panels that adjust in real time to driving conditions. Need more stability in a corner? The car increases downforce. Want more speed on a straight? Aero surfaces flatten to reduce drag. It's like the car reads your intentions before you even act on them. At top speed, the F80 feels glued to the road. The cockpit remains stable, the steering stays precise, and the car moves as if it's slicing through the air with minimal resistance. Ferrari engineers worked tirelessly to deliver not just high numbers, but confidence at speeds where cars normally become unpredictable. The 2026 F80 is engineered to remain calm where other supercars start trembling. Inside the cabin, Ferrari has created a cockpit that blends luxury with pure performance. It's minimalist yet premium, futuristic yet familiar. The seats are sculpted to hold you like a second skin, built from lightweight carbon fiber but wrapped in hand-stitched Italian leather. The steering wheel is compact and loaded with essential controls, giving you everything you need without distraction. Paddle shifters are huge, metallic, and satisfying, designed for instant response. The digital driver display feels like something out of a jet fighter, with customizable layouts that shift based on driving mode. Track mode gives you essential performance data. Road mode brings clarity for relaxed driving. Electric mode provides efficiency details. The infotainment system is smarter, faster, and seamlessly integrated, offering navigation, telemetry, connectivity, and even driver coaching features. One of the most exciting features is the full performance telemetry system. After a spirited drive, you can review data like corner speeds, throttle input, G-force peaks, and braking patterns. The F80 not only gives you speed, it helps you become a better driver. It teaches you to master the machine. But performance isn't the only story here. Ferrari also focused on emotional connection. The sound of the engine is engineered to stir your soul. The twin-turbo V8 roars with a mechanical purity that modern engines often lack. As the revs climb, the sound deepens, sharpens, and fills the cabin with an intoxicating growl. When the electric motors kick in, you feel an instant surge of torque that blends perfectly with the engine's voice. It's a symphony of combustion and electricity working together. This car isn't just fast. It's emotional. It makes you feel alive. Ferrari has always understood that owning a Ferrari is not simply about speed or luxury. It's about connection, passion, and the thrill of mastery. The F80 delivers that in a way no previous hypercar has. Driving the F80 is an experience that changes you. The steering feels telepathic. You think, and the car responds. The suspension adapts instantly, making rough roads feel smoother and corners feel tighter. Whether you're carving mountain roads or flying down a track straight, the car remains composed and eager, begging you to push it just a little more. And despite all this extreme performance, Ferrari ensured the F80 is surprisingly usable. The hybrid system allows for silent electric driving at low speeds. The interior comfort means long trips are possible without fatigue. The ride quality, while firm, doesn't punish. Ferrari wanted to create a hypercar that can be lived with, not just admired from a distance. Every part of this car tells a story of innovation and obsession. Ferrari poured decades of engineering excellence, pure racing heritage, and modern technology into a machine designed to be the future of Italian performance. It's not just a car. It's a declaration, a promise that Ferrari is entering the next era stronger than ever. By the time you complete your drive in the F80, you realize something profound. Speed is thrilling, but emotion is unforgettable. The F80 gives you both in perfect harmony. It gives you the rush of acceleration and the satisfaction of control. It gives you the roar of a V8 and the instant torque of electric power. It gives you beauty and aggression, refinement and rawness, technology and soul. And that is what makes the 2026 Ferrari F80 more than a hypercar. It makes it an icon in the making. A symbol of what happens when passion and innovation collide. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the future of Ferrari, stay tuned for more incredible automotive content. Until next time, keep chasing speed, keep chasing perfection, and never stop dreaming.